Namaskar aspirants, this video is the continuation of motor design and its components MCQ. Let's start. A diesel engine operating at a light load when compared to operating at heavy load has a fuel-air ratio that is, and the options are higher, less, equal, directly proportional. The answer should be higher because at higher load the amount of fuel injected is higher. A safety cover differs from other diesel engines' access door in that it is fitted with and the options are spring-loaded pressure plate, hand wheel, nut-operated clamp, large gasket, and the correct option should be spring-loaded pressure plate. Our next question is, in an opposed piston engine, which of the following events would happen if the lower crank lead were reduced from 12 to 0? And the options are: the exhaust ports would open before the scavenging ports, the scavenging ports would open before exhaust ports, neither the exhaust nor the scavenging ports would open. The exhaust and scavenging ports would open simultaneously, and the correct option should be the exhaust and scavenging ports would open simultaneously. Our next question is, which of the following relationships should occur between the temperature developed in a combustion space and the compression ratio of the engine? And the options are: higher compression ratios create higher temperature create higher compression ratios, lower temperature create higher compression ratios, higher compression ratios create lower temperature. From the thermodynamic laws, it is higher compression ratios create higher temperature. This should be the correct option. Our next question is, the valve stem expansion associated with engine warm-up is allowed for by the, and the options are: valve springs, hydraulic governor, tappet clearance adjusters, cooling system. Tappet clearance is provided for the expansion due to rise in temperature, so the correct option should be tappet clearance adjuster. Which of the bearing types listed is commonly used for main bearings in small internal combustion engines? And the options are: precision type with seams, pod type is consisting of babbitt, pod type with seams, replaceable precision type, and the correct option should be replaceable precision type. Our next question is, a dry type spark arresters removes spark from the diesel engine exhaust by, and the options are: increasing the linear velocity of the exhaust gases, changing direction of exhaust gas flow, decreasing the temperature of the exhaust gases, accelerating the exhaust gas through a reduced size of orifice. And the correct option should be changing direction of exhaust gas flow. Our next question is, the most common instrument used to measure diesel engine exhaust pressure is and the options are: pyrometer, Bourdon gauge, numericator, manometer, and the correct option should be manometer. Our next question is, when two cams of the same diameter, one with tangential flanks and other with convex flanks, are compared, the cam with tangential flanks will cause, and the options are: greater valve lift, more abrupt valve action, less valve seat wear, less valve gear wear, and the correct option should be more abrupt valve action. Our next question is, which of the following types of engines have combustion chamber located between cylinder head and the crown of a piston? And the options are: horizontal, opposed, single acting, none of the above, and the correct option will be single acting. That's all for today. See you soon.